Welcome back to Checkitable Media. Barely 3 hours ago, Baba Femi Falana has sued the VDM, the very dark man, to the tune of 500 million naira. Is asking him also to go and bring down the video, he made. He believed he tarnished his image in that video, and he wants him to remove it and bring it down. So, Daily Trust also, published that letter. He published the news immediately after Baba Falana got the court injunction against VDM. So, court orders VDM to remove the defamatory post on Falana and son. So, the post or the charge sheet I will put here for you to see, and I'll also bring you the comment of Mayegun General also, what he sees to the case. So, Anikeja High Court has ordered an online activist, Vincent Ose, alias Very Dark Man, to remove the defamatory post against a senior advocate of Nigeria's son, Femi Falana, and his son, Folari, also called Vas. So Justice Matthias Dawodu ordered VDM to bring down the alleged defamatory video which he made on the 24th of September 2024. So the suit also ordered the service of a originating summons against VDM through his lawyer, Mr. Dejiade Yoju, within 14 days. The judge also said that defendant, his agent, and privies are hereby restrained from further releasing, publishing, or circulating any defamatory video comments about the applicant. So that is what the Daily Trust said this evening. So I will like you to listen to the opinion of some other people, and I also want you to also to put your own comment in the comment section if you think things are really going all right with this case of VDM and Bob Risky, because actually it's not a case between Baba Falana or the Falana and Falana chambers or the Falana family and the VDM. No, it's actually not so. It's a case between VDM. It should be the case between VDM and Bob Risky in connection with the prison service and also the what do you call them? The EFCC. So they should be the one standing trial here, not VDM. So nobody's talking about Bobrisky anymore in this matter, because if anybody could be sued, it should be Bobrisky and the originator of the video. So I mean, I don't know what's going on. But for me, let me not say much. I want to listen to Mayegun General and his own analysis on this case, and I'll be waiting to hear from you. Thank you for watching. This is Chokitable Media. Let's just sanitize. Let's sanitize the environment together, and that's why we're doing this. Listen to the suit and the points raised in that papers. Thank you. See you next time. Chokitable Media.
In Lagos, the useless judiciary of Nigeria. The old man is asking for 500 million naira. And at the same time, he wants the audio that Very Dark Man commented on. Bobrisky's audio deleted from social media online. Have you seen this? It was published on social media this evening, purportedly to be a ruling from a court in Lagos where Falana and his fellow crooked legal practitioners, I believe, in that contraption have so much influence. Here is what was published earlier. According to them, Falana went to court. Okay. Normally, if you have someone that you are charging for defamation, you would have to at least sue them or charge them, and then they will put up their defense, and in the process, they would possibly have a ruling. But this is what we got: a ruling from what do you call it? From a court in Lagos. And here, an order, in fact, it's an order, it's called ruling, an order against very dark man concerning that same controversial Bobrisky's audio. Now, Bobrisky is not featuring in all of this. We know that, and we know, I mean, it's obvious now that we know why. So from what this ruling, came out with here, one, an interim preemptive remedy by this honorable court restraining the defendant, his agent, previous, and or anybody from further circulating or publishing any defamatory video, comment about the applicant, which is Falana, and to bring down the defamatory video or comment about the applicant, Falana, published on 24th of September 2024 on all his online social handle or pages, pending compliance with the pre-action protocol of this honorable court. An order granting leave to the applicant to serve the pre-action bundles, kangaroo, originating processes, and all other court processes between parties herein on the defendant by substituted means through his lawyer, Deji Adeyanju, of the Adeyanju and Partners at Teresa Yenyenye, right? Such further orders as this honorable court may deem fit to make in the circumstances of this ex parte application. Oh, see, you know what is called ex parte? Ex parte is me, Mayegun, walk straight into a court and say, hey, court, Judge, I need you to do something for me. I do not need the other party in attendance. They don't have to attend. Ex parte order is just like me walking straight into a court and ask the court to give me a ruling against somebody. For example, you, Director's Court, I want you to close down your Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Even though I'm supposed to write you so that I can sue you, right? No, I'll just walk straight into a court. And a judge doesn't have to see the other party. They don't have to see them. The court will now rule and say, you, Director's Court, you are hereby ordered to close your Facebook, close your Twitter, close your YouTube, and pay Mayegun 200 million naira until we determine this case. This is my order. I so rule. Das. And the court clerk, they will now send a copy of that ruling to maybe you or your lawyer or anybody they know about you. It can be, they call it a substituted service, okay? They do, even if they don't see you, they can give it to your wife, give it to your mom, give it to your friend, or post it on social media. And you must obey it. The ex parte order that normal politicians always get against themselves. That is what your Sandalili, Sawdust, what do you call it? Senior Advocate of Nuisance, Femi Falana, has now obtained against very dark man. You know, he's been waiting. He said he's been waiting for them to sue him on top this matter. Baba, they no sue him. They just went straight to court to get an ex parte order, publish it on social media, and there is a judge that granted that. Here's the other part. Listen. Also, bring to the defendant's attention that there is a case against him in court. Are you listening? Quoting Akeredolu versus Abraham and whatever. Based on all the foregoing, the court resolves that the sole issue for determination of the applicants. This application succeeds, and I hereby made the following orders. 1, the defendant, his agent, and previous are hereby restrained from further releasing, publishing, or circulating any defamatory videos, comments about the applicant, and to bring down the defamatory video comments about the applicants published on leave is hereby granted to the applicant Femi Falana and his son and his daughter to serve the pre-action bundles, right? originating processes, and all other court processes between parties herein on the defendant by substituted means through his lawyer. 3, the applicant must file and serve the pre-action bundles. Pre-action is that before the case, so this is just before any case, so originating processes and other accompanying processes on the defendant within 14 days from today. The order is one above shall lapse until, after 21 days from today. This is the ruling of the court. Certified through copy. Honorable Justice M.O. Daudu. Honorable Justice M.O. Daudu, Judge. High Court of Lagos State, Nigeria. Cherry jokey. You know they see? Somebody said, I called pause to borrow me 4 million naira so that I could bribe the prison officials, right? So that I won't have to be in prison. I can stay in a flat close to prison. Force came out and said, well, Bobrisky only asked me for money. And I said, I don't have the money. So that's it. So which means where Force, Falana's son, confirmed the phone call, the audio as original. But they are just not happy that a very dark man made some comments of, I'm so disappointed if this is true. I hope the Falanas will come out and clear their names. Look at what this country is. Look at what this, see, even the people that we look up to. So they themselves are also, man, I hope this is not true. That's the comment too. Now the comment where they cause this ruckus with that too. The comments that the voluntary slaves in Nigeria who love their oppressors and who actually love their oppressors differently have been trying to say, hey, it's a defamation. All that thing that very dark man said, it's a defamation. In fact, he should apologize. Now, Mr. Sandalili, senior advocate of nuisance, did not sue very dark man. Say, okay, I'm suing you for defamation. No, he didn't. He went to court to go and get ex parte order. Ex parte order. God damn it, man. No wonder people have been like, oh, more. These people are not really bright, oh. Thank God for social media. Hey. Now, that's what they are brandishing now. And guess the voluntary slaves of Nigeria, the humbled slaves, sophisticated morons, women abroad, Nigerians. Yes, you need to be very careful. You need to be very, very careful. You cannot just be spelling people's name. In fact, you cannot be talking about the Falanas. The Falanas are very, very guinea con lawyer. Fraud, scam. Look at it now. Okay. I mean, me, I don't be lawyer, but I know what an experte means. I do. It's like somebody going to court to say, I stop you from talking about me. I said, no, I'm going to talk about you. What are you going to do? And then the judge says, you are hereby stopped from talking about him. So no, I'm going to talk about him. Except what I'm saying is a lie. Then he should sue me for defamation. Abi? You see? Member of the oppressive gang of the contraption called Nigeria. Human rights fighters. Human rights fighters. We are fighting for human rights. I was saying that, how come they are so angry at this guy? Why are they not angry at the Bobrisky? Bobrisky, who actually made the allegation, Force came and confirmed it. Bobrisky said it was Bobrisky who said things, who mentioned Falana. But nobody is actually calling him out. They are not even charging him for anything. Like, what the heck? You see now, it is a pure joke. No wonder. See your contraption. See all your senior advocate of nuisance. I want San Dusty. I be San Dalili, what they call them. I want San Pali, San Paper. I was wondering, What did they worry this old man? Eh? This whole thing shouldn't even be up to this level. If you're upset in the first place, it should be against this Bobrisky, which means what Bobrisky said is true. So they are not interested in the corruption that got exposed. They are interested in shutting whoever is trying to say something down. Up. Shut him up.
Shut him
Just
up.
shut him up.
Shut whoever that wants to say anything. Shut them up. Don't let them say anything about this case. This is Nigeria, and it is we. That is the opinion of Mayego General. So what is your own opinion? What's your own take on this? Put your comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like this channel. Share it. Put on your notification button. Subscribe. God bless you as you do. Let's do good so that we reap good.